Okay. I have the honor to present to you the awardees of Grade 4 Sunflower. Liana Crisajoy A. Artana, with honors with an average of 90%, with a special award of first in oral reading comprehension, Filipino, first in spelling English, and fourth in spelling Filipino. John Lester Batalla with honors with an average of 91%. Maria Giuliana G. Cardenas with honors with an average of 93% and special award first in oral reading comprehension English, third in oral reading comprehension Filipino, and fifth in spelling Filipino. Sian Marco M. Continue with honors with an average of 94%. In special award, first in spelling Filipino, third in Marco. Maria Samantha P. Dihanco with honors with an average of 92%. Special award, second in oral reading comprehension English, third in spelling English, second in Marco, and perfect score in English. Nympha G. Ramos with honors with an average of 94%. And special award, third in spelling Filipino, fifth in spelling English, third in oral reading comprehension English, and first in Marco. Sandria Carsten Ramos with honors with an average of 92% and special award, second in cursive writing, second in spelling English, fourth in oral reading comprehension Filipino, fifth in oral reading comprehension English, and digital skills award. Yumi C. Ramos with honors with an average of 91% and special award, third in cursive writing. Zayamen F. Ramos with honors with an average of 91% and special award is second in oral reading comprehension Filipino. T. Aliyah Tidobero with honors with an average of 94% and special award first in cursive writing. Mark Ivan T. Salamero with honors with an average of 90%. Crystalline B. Shazon with honors with an average of 93% in special award, 4th in cursive writing, 4th in oral reading comprehension English, and 4th in spelling English. And also given a special award to Jeffrey Heron Jr., 2nd place in spelling Filipino, and Janela Binimon, 5th place in cursive writing.
Grade 1 intermission, get ready also after grade 5. Bumabangay ka na po. Grade 5, aglay dito yan ako. Balanis ko kayo. Then the awardees of my grade 5